You're from Philippines?
Yes, you're right.
Philippines is located in Asia.
Yes, that's right.
Bangladesh is also located in Asia. It is located in South Asia. Do you know India?
Yes, I know India.
Yeah,
Like,
Bangladesh is neighbor of India.
oh, you're from Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old. What about you?
Um, I'm 18 years old.
Oh, 18 years old. So you're studying in intermediate or high
Yes,
school?
I'm student, senior high student.
Oh, high student. Nice. So is it your class time?
Yes, I'm here now. It's our vacant time.
Oh, so you're making now fun, your class?
Yeah. What?
I mean,
Sorry.
are you making fun, your class? Where is your teacher?
Yes, I'm making fun.
Okay. So why you're learning English? What is your reason?
Uh, uh, Actually, I download this app to practice my English speaking, and the reason why I came up with this app just because of on TikTok. I just saw it on TikTok that this app or this platform will help you to boost your confidence to speak in English.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
the reason why I'm here.
Exactly, you're right that these application help us to confident to that when we
Yes, that's
talk to a person face to face, that is very helpful to you to make confident and improve your speaking English. So that's awesome.
yeah. Thank you. And may I know how longer did you use this platform?
Okay, maybe almost 6 months I'm here, but last one
Oh,
month
that's
I
pretty long.
couldn't use.
Me, I it just took 1 week ago.
One
1 week.
week ago. Wow, excellent. But you are speaking very well.
I'm just new. Yes. And I have encountered some people using this platform. They're kind and they gave you some advices to how can you improve your English. So I love this app.
Yeah, obviously I also love because here when we talk to people, yeah, obviously they help us. How can we improve our speaking? How can we learn this language perfectly? So they are very kind and friendly behavior. I
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So I like your accent.
thank you so much. I'm trying my best to improve my accent as well as my speaking, but I'm not
Oh,
perfect.
but you're in a good level, no? I am just still learning on English. I don't really want to speak in English, but that's neat because it's a universal language.
Yeah, obviously, you're right that it is
Yeah.
international language and universal language. So we should learn this language to connect with around the world. Because my dear, that now we are living a global village where global village only barricade is language. If you want to connect to people, you can connect easily, but only language can make a barricade. So that's the reason we should learn English to connect everyone.
Yes, that's real. So